Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Emmanuel, and today we back at it again with something a little different. You know, about to start vlogging. A little kind of excited for today, experiencing a couple of new things. Right now, start the day off. I'm at a little car show right now. It's called Stockton Cars and Coffee. If you haven't followed them on Instagram, go ahead and follow them already. And I just got new gear because I'm about to be filming with my iPhone. You know what I'm saying? So, about to be filming with an iPhone. Yeah, I got this on eBay. I ordered everything separately. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I'm about to show you guys around the whole car show right now. It's starting to rain. It's not major. Yo, here we are, guys. Just wanted to start off by showing you guys my car. It's my dad's 1979 Mercedes-Benz 300 SD turbo diesel, and I'm here at the car meet. We got the Dodge Viper over here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. It's been a while since I've seen one of those. Got some more cars over here. If you guys haven't checked out Stockton Cars and Coffee, you should check them out.
Remember how you have shit. Remember how to get it out of pack flip. I sleep on me like a mattress. If you want me, you can find me where the cash is. I'm just tryna get the bankroll. Put a bitch out for mango. I'm smiling with the same bros. I get slide on that say so. I'm just tryna get the bankroll. Stack the money till it can't fall. Run up on me, you get banged on. I get fucking on your main hoe.
I've been going tryna get it, my niggas gon' pop. And on them people steady telling them niggas is cops. Why you folding like some paper? I'm hard as a rock. Convertible, you ripping, I'm dropping his top. And we don't put up on the block, now we setting up shop. And I ain't running from the watch, but I'm running from cops. Really coming from the bottom, let's go to the top. And all that faking that you doing, you niggas gon' flop. I'ma let it pop, I'ma let it rock. Nigga on the box, I'ma set some shots. You know that I'm clean, stepping with the team. It's a murder scene, fly just like a bee. I'ma let it pop, I'ma let it rock. Nigga on the box, I'ma set some shots. You know that I'm clean, stepping with the team. It's a murder scene, fly just like a bee.
I'm just tryna get the bankroll. Put a bitch out from mango. I'm smiling with the same bros. My niggas slide on that say so. I'm just tryna get the bankroll. I stack the money till it can't fall. Run up on me, you get banged on. I get fucking on your main hoe.
Sauce, nigga, need my money like a pimp. Pockets fatter than a blimp, got me walking with a limp. Bitch, NHSK, that's the game. Put your bitch on a track so you know that's a train. Got some niggas in the cuts really moving dang. I'm a real nigga and you know I never change. Bitch, hella whip, she won't leave like a snake. Don't need a spit game, I just fuck off my name. Told my nigga and these little niggas ain't ready. Specialized, shooter like my fucking name. Ready, keep the bitch broke, finish shipping like a FedEx. If you talking chicken, I'm on way like a medic. Man, these hoes with my headache. Pull up to your block, get to rolling like the credits, carve you out like an edit. Got me laughing how some niggas think that they really hard. Pull up on that Jeep, your heart racing like a NASCAR. You ain't no real shooter, you can't do that shit without no bar. With my nigga ain't cool, spitting all these fucking bars. I'm a young nigga trying to get his fucking money straight. Fuck me and go, that's why I'm grinding like some bad breaks. Really trying to put my brothers on, focused on this cake. Saying you a real nigga, you's a fucking fake. If you talking haters over, don't care what you gotta say. 40 leave you niggas dusty like a fucking ashtray.
Got a couple of builds out here.
bruh. Don't fuck around and slip. HSK, that's the gang. You ain't fucking with the click, little bitch. I'm from Stockton. I want my nigga E. HSK the crew when I'm eating with my team. Nike's on my feet, Levi's on my waist. You can catch me, bruh, when I hit that bitch face. I'm feeling like Mac Dre. I'm too fucking hard. High out of space, I'm a motherfucking star. Smoking on this gas got me really moving slow. One thing I learned was never trust a hoe. Cause I'ma do me, you can catch me on my grind. See me on the track, I got bars all the time. Y'all already know Young Mac in the game. Throwing up threes, but nigga, I don't bang. HSK, bruh. Who the fuck is that? Young Stockton niggas and they stay making slaps. Got the bass in the trunk, cause that shit really bump. Only spit real shit, nigga, I don't front, bitch.
So what do we got under here?
Just basic, nothing fancy. You know, we got a. I didn't notice that drip right there. Okay, we got a just race cam. You know, high performance clutch, light and flywheel, a little bit of programming. Rear wheel that puts out about 650 horsepower.
650?
Yep, just as much as the new Viper or the latest Viper puts out. That's pretty much it.
It's a pretty big engine.
V10, you know.
Oh, okay.
That's what they come with, you know. So.
Looks like it started to rain on our parade.
How you niggas say you thuggin'? You be cutting soft. Real niggas fucking with my team. Ain't no knockoffs. Catch him out of bounds, it's a knockoff. Leak it up, let a nigga try and pop off. Lock door, stitch slip, nigga, I don't say much. Running up a check is just something that you can't touch. Dangerous. Step around us to get dangerous.
Car meet's over. It's time to go to church now, man. Bless up. Give thanks to the Lord.
Cause I couldn't afford more than I can.
Alright guys, I just got into Stocktoncon.
But people use me for my music.
First time at one of these.
I was playing in the beginning, man. I thought for sure, but I had to get them back with
cool.
it. Hard to get to a
From my first time experience, you know.
And it's gotta keep up on my hit list 4 minutes. King on doors, off the hinges, digging ditches, stay young. Then add image in the new style. Be more wild. What a killer be, killing everything. What a deep down villain in the new style means a more power. And both means young imagery is versatile.
Young image, yeah, I get it. I be down to earth, bro. I feel like I'm a midget. You can sink or swim, so I'm swimming. You can sink or swim, so I'm swimming. Young image, yeah, I get it. I be down to earth, bro. I feel like I'm a midget. You can sink or swim, so I'm swimming. You can sink or swim, so I'm swimming.
Go ahead, but I'm sure you will miss me. Try me like try and diss me. People think hip-hop is still alive, so I guess it's over Pac and Biggie. But if I be acting silly, I can take it and go home with me. And like the curb, I be acting trippy. But really, when I got that torch, I know to make it missy, the dilly. But if everybody be everybody, then it be very funny. Acting careless when I'm going dummy. I spit that fire, I be always be like hot sauce. I treat everything like I had 3 seconds on the shot clock. I roll everywhere like I'm Mr. Big Shot. And they always be acting twisted like they a big knot. And I leave them unsure like a word that has 3 dots. Like what comes after that last thought? I be getting lost, not where cars go. But I got the G code for real G. How far could he go?
Young image, yeah, I get it. I be down to earth, bro. I feel like I'm a midget. You can sink or swim, so I'm swimming. You can sink or swim, so I'm swimming. Young image,
so I'm back in it. Feeling like I can't win it. With all this talk of hate, I don't think I got fans in it. I mean, I be doing my own thing with some bands in it. And I be the one to keep it real like I'm authentic. But I'm already all in it, and there's already scars in it. And all the truths be a little bit false with it. And I be acting swervy, rolling down the highway, moving at 100 like this is my way. And I'm feeling fly like this is Skyway.
Like a little bitch, you stop playing, stop throwing, take this dick, bitch, I'm geeked up, man, I'm hella high as shit. Set a play, we gon' have to take his shit, oh my god. I got some magic on my fit, little bitch in love, she didn't wanna have my kids, but stop playing. Stop throwing, take this dick, my dog is bitches like they cry for my little big, little bitch.
Yeah, they asked me what happened, I said that shit was tragic. We pulled up 4 deep, then my niggas did some magic. Yeah, poof, turn that nigga into ashes. Get caught slipping, we do not get no passes. Yeah, we ballin' harder than March Madness. All my niggas packing, they come in with it if you want any of the action. If you ain't copying, well don't even tap in. I ain't flexing on no tracks, nah this ain't no capping. Getting in my way, gonna get your ass flattened. This shit is so much deeper than just rapping. It's obvious, we ain't from the same fucking fabric. Tell your man be cool, this ain't no time to panic. Just hand us all the money and there won't be no static. But any complications and you know I'm body bagging. Toes taking, food flaming, like I'm Draco. Aiming for his face, man, I'm tryna leave this case closed. Save hoes, man, you know that I can't save those. This shit all gas, we ain't stepping on no brakes, so yeah, I put my all in this shit until they put me in my grave, bro. Niggas talking on the net, man, I swear we hate those. Plug overpriced to P, we just finna take those. We don't give a fuck, put his ass on some skates, bro.
Throw my things up, see you later, little bitch. Just stop playing, slap throwing, take this dick, bitch, I'm geeked up, man, I'm hella high as shit. Set a play, we gon' have to take his shit, oh my god. I got some magic on my fit, little bitch in love, she didn't wanna have my kids, bitch, stop playing. Slap through and take this dick, my dog is bitches like they fight for my little big, little bitch. Don't tell me why they suck it out your cabin, while they rapping like they really out your class. She don't wanna fuck with you, that's why she catting. But she wanna fuck with me because I'm fly just like all the bitches. Fuck you, pay me, I ain't gonna take you out. She don't wanna fuck with me, I got that player mouth. I was broke, I had no cash, I found a safer route. I'm just racing to this cash, man, I'm on this fucking paper route. Niggas in the city tryna take me out. Hey, bitch, I'm up, why they hate me now? I'm just fucking on your bitch, ain't no making out. Bitch, you know I'm tryna make it out. Throw my threes up, see you later, little bitch. Just stop playing, slap through and take this dick, bitch, I'm geeked up, man, I'm hella high as shit. Set a play, we gon' have to take his shit, oh my god. I got some magic on my fit, little bitch in love, she didn't wanna have my kids, but stop playing. Slap through and take this dick, my dog is bitches like they fight for my little big, little bitch.
Like first time in, like first time meeting, it was just me. You a couple homies, you was all up on me. That long, look at me, look at me. And I long that ass, those tight jeans, everything I wanted you to be. Hey, you my booty, you my fashion, love my style, I'm so clean. You just tryna get next to me. Baby mama, she been texting me. Get the fuck up on my neck, baby. You love me just for my necklace, and I love you too. But I just love you, and you love all these other niggas. Like what I'm gonna do? Like first time meeting, it was just me and you got my homies. It was all up on me, and I love the way you look at me. Yeah, oh, hey. Cause, baby, you know I work that 9 to 5. I buckle up cause you down to ride. Hey, cause you know it's after night. Got some backwards, we gon' get high. Like, baby, come get to my crib, I'm alone. Baby, you a dog and I give you bone. Yeah, you my Mia Wallace and you love that cocaine. Got a gun to my head like I'm Cobain. Baby, why you fucking dancing? This ain't Soul Train, yeah. Light that out, I need some more propane. First time meeting, it was just me and you got my homies. You was all up on me, and I love the way that you look at me. And I love that fucking ass and those tight ass jeans. And you love the way that I dress.
Lately I've been feeling down, like I don't even wanna come around. When I'm smoking with the homies, I don't really make a sound. Got niggas bitching product like they standing on the mound. I'm going all in, yeah, bitch, I need the crown. I'm loyal to my soil, 10 toes to the ground. We smooth behind my back, talking down and loud. Told the homie off, now he barely come around. OG told me, swim or you gonna drown. I was looking for myself and through this music I was found. And to all the homies, you know we gonna make it. I'm doing this for us, I just ask that you be patient. I promise that I will never be on fake shit. And if we riding with a charge, then you know that I'ma take it. My heart's gone, I don't really know where I placed it. Can we stop with all the fussing, baby, I can't take it. Late nights drinking Henny, no, I wouldn't chase it. I be hella faded, honestly, I don't even taste it. Had to leave, little baby, that bitch was too basic. Smoking to the neck, yeah, I roll up and I face it. She playing hard to get, but you know that I'm not chasing. My music is the truth, it's all facts that I'm stating. I don't wanna talk if we ain't talking about a payment. Yeah, you know I need my check. Starting to feel like that I'm different than the rest. When I'm in the booth, I rip the heart on my chest. Aiming at your head, you don't even need that vest. Fuck being good, bitch, I'm trying to be the best. Everyone annoying, man, bitches be past. No,
too raw.
Ay, sliding in that Benz, bitches game time, 100 on that dash, one slide through the grapevine. I ain't giving Brody dap, he can't shake mine. Mama stressing for me, told her all it do is take time. Getting past, I ain't giving niggas shit. No, my brother got my back, so I'm flocking out that rip. 30 stick and that gleek, got me feeling like this shit. Bitch on that blade, now that bitch got you whipped. 16, fuck around and hit the plug. Almost had to pop his ass, but it turned out he my cousin. The flush of 10 deep, strapped up, we all thugs. I ain't hopping on no dice unless I'm breaking in the dub hood. Quiet nigga, but I let these bands talk off. They Henny and Patron, bitch, I do my band walk, ayy. Sneak this and go and get your man short. Too much stressing off the bitch, your buddy says she being knocked, ayy. I'ma fuck me up a bag on my best friend. Riding through my city, couple gleekies in the FN. All props, I ain't finna say pretend. Smoking 4G on the block, got me feeling like I'm him, Never needed help, get on my own. Big bro, got a 60 round, spray you like cologne, Fuck it up, got that nigga in his zone, Say we beefing, but you hit me through the phone, Fake beefing, caught you niggas on that gay shit, stain shit. Brother got locked down, tryna stain shit. Mona Lisa, we slime, tryna paint shit. Catch him out in traffic, bouncing out, tryna hang shit. A year ago I'm broke, now young and feel okay. 15 woods to the face, cause I ain't have a good day. K-roll with the test and make you hit the hay. Young hyphy nigga, like I'm really from the bank. Couple K's when we pop out. Had to fight the stock out, no sympathy for hoes. If you play, you get knocked down, boxed out. If we talking about the doja, problems of my life, all I wanted was some closure. Freaky little bitch, wanna hold, but I don't know it, fuck it. She probably tryna set me up, bro, blower. Still running after bags, we been on it with a motor. Remember all them late nights, Nino on me used to told her. Rolling joints, king size like a shoulder. Hard body, and my DNA is boldest. Walk up in that party, boy, you better have your soldiers. To my brother, take the back streets, I'm ducking from the rollers. skinny nigga, but the cake, I still told it. Off the Doji and Cabana, I be loaded. My nigga Ant, that's the bro, he never folded. Niggas really hate me cause these words are sugar coated. But I don't give a fuck, let a fuck boy meet this llama. Posted out west in the cuts like Osama. Fucking over bitches, niggas really not about drama on mamas. Sliding on that skin in a Honda. Rocking to the neck, one slime with my partner. You ducked off, never chasing chicken, it's a problem. Niggas got a problem, tell him bro, he gon' solve him. On slime with that chopper, pussy boy, don't get knocked down.
Late night, eyes wide, can't stop thinking about past times or lives. Time so simple like poolside love, and I'm so nervous. I got love for those times, don't you know? Two babies, too young for true love, infatuation. Stuck in a world that was our creation. That's crazy, ain't it? We were too high. Oh, not a worry in the world. Summertime never gave us any trouble now.
Alright, well that's a wrap for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Tell your mom about it, tell your grandma about it, your grandpa, the whole family. Let me get a little shout out, you know what I'm saying? But appreciate the watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. He said subscribe to it. That's his name. Here's, look over here. Oh. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe.